This is a multiple concept question in work energy. Okay. A 60 kg skier with an initial speed of 12 meters per second goes up a 2.5 meter high rise as shown in figure. Find her final speed at the top, given that the coefficient of friction between her skis and the snow is 0.08. 0.08. Now let us write down the data. What is the data? Mass of the skier is 60 kilograms. And then the initial velocity is 12 meters per second. And then the coefficient of friction is given as 0.08. Okay. Now we have to find out the final velocity. Here, what is happening when the skier is going up? The skier has initially the kinetic energy, and then while going up, the skier has to do the work against the friction. Okay, so we have to deduct that work done by the friction, and then at the final point, he has both the kinetic energy and potential energy. Now let us try to write the equations. Okay, E initial is equal to E final. This is a law of conservation of energy. So we are writing that one. E initial is he has the kinetic energy, and then we have to deduct the work done by the friction. That must be equal to final energy is potential energy plus kinetic energy plus gravitational potential energy. Now K initial is equal to half mv square, mvi square minus work done by the friction is mu k, mu k. I write like this: F friction in times distance. F friction times distance is equal to half mvf square plus mgh. Okay. Now we have to find out the frictional force. Frictional force is not known to us. We have to find out. For that, what we have to do is I will draw the free body diagram. This is the skier. I am representing the skier as a single mass, as a dot. Okay. And then here is the angle 35 degrees. So this is again the angle theta. Okay. I write theta is equal to 35 degrees. Okay. And then now this is the Fn acting vertically upwards. And this is the obviously Fn Fg cos theta, because this is the Fg. You know, Fg acts vertically downward. This part will be Fg. And then this is Fg sine theta, opposite side. Fg sine theta. And then this is Fg cos theta. Okay. And then Fg is equal to mg. And I'm taking g as 9.8. Okay. Now, therefore, here F friction is equal to, I write here, F friction is equal to mu Fn. Okay. So that is equal to mu k Fg cos theta. That means mg cos theta. Okay. This is the F friction. Now I have to find out d. D is also not known to me. That I will find out from the geometry of the figure. Again, this is theta, and this is h, and this is d. Therefore, d is sine theta is equal to h by d, or t is equal to h by sine theta. Okay, obviously theta is equal to 35 degrees. Now I will substitute these things in this equation. What happens now? Half. Now what I do is mass goes up. Mass is throughout. Okay, I will write again half mvi square minus mu k mg cos theta, mu k mg cos theta times d. Instead of t, I will write h by sine theta. Okay, I start simplifying from here itself. Times h by sine theta. H by sine theta is equal to half mvf square plus mgh. Okay. Now mass goes off through and through, and I have to find out Vf square, Vf. So what I do is, before doing that one, I multiply the entire equation with 2 so that the 2 in the denominator will go off. I will be bit comfortable with that. Okay. So Vi square minus 2 mu k g cos theta. I do one more thing here. Here cos theta by sin theta cot theta, but I will divide this with cos theta so that it will become tan theta. Mu k g h by tan theta. Okay. Or if you are not comfortable, I will write here this as mu k g h cot theta. Cot theta is also okay for me. Cot theta is equal to Vf square plus 2gh. Okay. Now I think you are comfortable like this. So Vf square is equal to, I will take 2gh this side. So Vi square minus 2 mu k gh cot theta minus 2gh. Okay. Now what I do is Vf square is equal to Vi square minus, I will take off 2gh outside. Okay. So 2gh, then it will become mu k cot theta plus 1. Okay. Therefore, Vf square is equal to, I will substitute the values here. Okay. Vi is equal to 12 meters per second squared. It's 12 meters per second. Okay, minus 2 into 9.8 into h is 2.5 times 0.08 cot 35 plus 1. Okay, now the entire thing, after inputting the values in the calculator, I get this as 89.40. Or Vf is equal to, I will write like this, Vf is equal to square root of 89.40. Therefore, Vf is equal to 9.45 meters per second. This is the answer. Just we have to resolve the force, how to find out the friction. So find out the friction, you have to you have to draw the force diagram and resolve. And then the remaining things are simple. That means we have to use the law of conservation of energy, and then with that you can find the answer. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye.